I'm Jordan and I'm going to teach you today the fundamentals of playing slap bass. So playing slap bass is a very percussive way of playing the bass guitar. So you can hear it's very much a dead note, often musically called staccato. So staccato is a very dead and short note. So essentially the sound is of the string aggressively hitting the fretboard and the frets. So the movement when you're actually playing slap bass is all in the wrist. You see some players who flare their arms around, trying to, sort of stage antics really. Really the movement's in the wrist. It avoids injury and it gives the player more control over the playing. So it's always worth using the wrist, and the sound is really, you're using this part of the thumb to hit the string. So in the left hand, you're also muting, because remember it's very staccato style of playing, so it's very percussive, so you really want a very short and dead note, so you really want to be. So in the fretting hand, what you want to do is play and just make sure you mute as well, straight after. Very small movements, but it makes all the difference. So if I was to let the note ring out, wouldn't really have the same effect. So really want to dead as possible. And also the other style of playing slap bass is what we call the pop. So remember the pop. So usually that's played with the index finger, and this technique is you're essentially pulling from the back of the string, and so you're putting through, and the sound again is of hitting the fretboard, but it just brings out more of a brighter tone opposed to slapping. So it's the same technique as well in the left hand. You want to basically mute it as soon as you hit the note. So you notice in the left hand, essentially I'm pressing the note down, straight up again, you're muting the note. Also another part of playing slap bass is also not even fretting the note, is also, so example in this, so you notice I'm going, there I'm not even playing a note, so it's a very percussive sound. Thank you for watching, and I hope that was helpful.